The state Supreme Court is now reviewing a decision made by a lower court in a case involving the Roman Catholic Diocese of Charleston.
News 2's Aaron Morgan listened to that hearing earlier today and joins us in this studio. And Aaron, this actually stems from a lawsuit filed in 2018.
Carolyn, Brendan, it does. A Charleston man sued the Charleston Diocese alleging that he was sexually assaulted by two teachers in 1970 at what was then called Sacred Heart Catholic School. Now, a circuit court judge made a summary judgment, which basically means a decision was made without a full trial in favor of the diocese under charitable immunity. This is a legal doctrine that shields charitable organizations from liability, meaning they do not have to pay damages for the conduct of a staff member. The State Court of Appeals upheld that ruling, but the South Carolina Supreme Court agreed to review the case as requested by the victim. And today, attorneys for both sides gave their arguments for and against charitable immunity being upheld in the case. Both sides shared interpretations of past cases involving charitable immunity and how they believe it sets precedent for a decision in this case.
So the employee has to be acting within the course and scope of his employment when he commits the tort. In this case, there's no evidence of that in the record.
Justice Lewis's opinion in Jeff Code is perfectly plain. We have never extended it to a case of intentional tort, and we're not going to do it now. And of course, there are several intentional torts alleged in this case.
Now, after hearing arguments from both sides, the Supreme Court adjourned, and the case is now in the court's hands for a decision to be made. In the studio, I'm Aaron Morgan. Count on 2.